Can this tile machine actually pick up bigger pieces of tile? Let's test it out. Also, what are some things that you should know about this? Is it going to be right for you? Okay, so it does come in a carrying case, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but it comes with 2 different batteries. So you're going to need your battery. It does come with the charger as well and the instruction manual. And then go ahead and attach that battery. Go ahead and flip this switch on. So this button right here makes the vibration intensity go up, maybe a level 2. And it's not nearly as strong. I also like this balance in here, this level. It tells you whenever you've got a section down, press that trigger, and then you're trying to place your tile, you can see that it's level. So if it wasn't level, you would be able to tell really easily. So when we're actually ready to pick up some tile, all we have to do is push it against it, pull the trigger down on the bottom, and then whenever you pull up, it will be sectioned to the actual tile itself, and it's not going anywhere. So this is probably about a 5-pound tile. It's pretty heavy, and this isn't going anywhere. So again, once you're ready to put it in place, you can simply put your tile down, let go of that handle, and then it's going to be placed down for you. And again, you can do the leveling options too if you want to. Handle up here, just in case your tile is really heavy and you want to section down, you want to be able to hold on to it with both hands. If you want to see how quickly you can clamp down on one of these, you press it down, pull the trigger, and then you're able to lift up, place your tile down. And so you can just move pretty quickly with this machine, especially if you're working with heavy, flat surfaces. Tile is the only one that I've actually tried it on. If you're doing lighter tile though, I'm not exactly sure that this is going to be as useful for you. It's really useful for those bigger pieces of tile, even much bigger than this. This was just the biggest and the heaviest piece that I had on hand. So really, honestly, that's who it's going to be best for. I hope this helps you make a more informed decision for yourself, your loved ones.